Power stroke. Cleaned up the terminals. These were all corroded. 22 battery. Jose's gonna have to get some new ones. 23. These were all corroded. Clean them up for him. Jumped in with the old 3.5 twin. After got it all cleaned up. So it should be good to go. I'm gonna tell Jose to get a new clamp because that clamp is no good. I cleaned this all up, so this battery flowing to this battery should be good. This is all cleaned up. I'm gonna spray him down with some terminal sealant and send him on his way. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna get some clamp spray for your batteries, okay? Yeah. Again, got the battery spray on here. Got to seal in those terminals for him. And hopefully this will get him going at least down to the rest of the workday. Get a couple new batteries, but it fired off good. Send them off. Always take care of your people. Forward on forward.